How I use Copilot in Word to improve my writing in 7 ways. I've been using Copilot, an AI assistant from Microsoft, ever since it was introduced. It helps me draft content, summarize documents, adjust the tone of my text, rewrite passages into polished prose, and more. Below, I'll share how I use Copilot to improve my writing and how you can leverage it too. 1. Every piece of writing begins with an outline, and Microsoft Copilot can quickly generate one to help me start drafting my document. All I need to do is specify the topic I want Copilot to help with. 2. Sometimes I finish writing a document but want to revise a few paragraphs. In these cases, I use Copilot's rewrite feature, which provides 3 alternative versions of the text for me to choose from. 3. Copilot also lets me tailor the tone of the text to match the target audience for my document. This ensures that the content maintains the desired tone throughout and eliminates the need to rewrite it for different audiences. 4. Sometimes I accidentally exceed the word count and need to cut less useful points and keep the important ones. Similarly, I often end up with too many bullet points when I can only use half. In these cases, I rely on Copilot to help me decide what to keep and what to remove, essentially making the decision for me. 5. Copilot also assists me in summarizing documents, so I don't have to read everything in detail. It analyzes the document and produces a summary highlighting the key points, helping me quickly grasp the main ideas. 6. I can also extract relevant information from a document by asking specific questions. This is one of my favorite features of the AI assistant. I can ask follow-up questions for each response to refine the answers further. For example, if my colleague sends me a project plan, I can ask Copilot to locate tasks assigned to me. The Copilot will identify the action items from the document. 7. Copilot also allows me to automatically convert a written text into a table. Simply select the text you want to transform, and it will automatically determine the appropriate number of columns and rows to create a table. If the result isn't quite right, you can adjust the number of columns or rows and customize the table to meet your needs.